In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect just markets to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to My Accounts on the top left, and then here you first have to create an account. So this could be either a real or a demo account. Of course, you can do whichever you want. I'm just going to showcase this with a demo account, but it's a very similar process if you're trying to do it with a real account. So click on Open New Account here, and then you have to select which one you want, but make sure you actually do select MT5 as the platform over here at the very top, and then click on Try Demo, or of course Open Real Account, whatever you want to do. Select your currency, leverage, and then set your trading password. Make sure you actually do remember this one because we're going to need it. And then here you can set the balance and click on Create Account, and your account is going to be created and listed over here. Now, whenever you do this, you'll receive your login credentials onto your email. Okay, so make sure you open up your email where it's going to say your account has been set up, and then you will see your login, your server, as well as your password you entered. Now, alternatively, you could also click on over here where it says Trade next to your account. And then here, you'll be able to see MetaTrader 5. You can just click on this button here, and you'll be able to see the server, MT5 login, and password as well. And that's all you're going to need. So if you don't have it yet, you can download it for your system here. I do have MT5 already, so I don't have to do it. I can just open it up. And when you open that up, go ahead and click on File, top left, and click on Open an Account. In here, you want to look for Just Markets, like this, and press on Find Your Company. And it's going to find just global markets and just markets over here. So select this one, the first one. And of course, you want to click on next. And in just a few seconds, there we go. It's going to pop you onto the next page where all you have to do here is click on connect with an existing trade account. And here you will have to put in your login, your password, and then the demo as well. So the login is going to be, as I said, inside your email. So just copy it and paste it. Usually it's just a long number. The password is the one you set yourself, which I'm going to type in right now. There we go. And then the server is going to be inside your email too. For me, it's demo2. And then here you can just click on finish. And when you do this, there we go. As you can see, I'm now successfully connected to MT5 with my Just Markets account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.